Hello and welcome. We are Chad and Claire. Welcome to vlog 21. We are currently traveling around the US in our tiny Ford Transit Connect, trying to hit every single state in the US in this next year. So thank you so much for joining us, and let's get right to it.
In our last vlog, we got a flat tire and we got to figure out a solution for that. However, flat tire didn't keep us from traveling. We continued on to Ohio and we visited the 3 C cities of Ohio: Cleveland, Columbus, and Cincinnati. And so we are currently at Cincinnati staying with Chad's Hong Kong roommate Street, and we're gonna go explore today.
Just disappear. We've got to get a little out in here. And you and I be okay. Whoa, giving all to the flame.
So we were supposed to go to Skyline Chili, but it was closed. But I also want to take a moment to introduce who we're with. Street Live. Shree was my roommate in Hong Kong, and we're just walking around Cincinnati showing us around. Alright, so we're back at the Croce household, and we had a great time exploring Cincinnati. Street's going to update you on what we're doing, and then also some other stuff.
So we tried to go to Skyline. That did not work. The chili, which Cincinnati chili is like this obsession that people have, and it's very polarizing. It's chili that has no beans, and there's like cinnamon and chocolate in it. It's like, it's a thing in like northern Italy maybe, or I don't know. It is a thing. We love it. A lot of people don't. So we tried to do that and it didn't work. We'll attempt again tomorrow. But instead we went to this bar called Longfellow, which is a bar that Olivia and I love a ton. We hung out and had drinks, and now we're back at my parents' house and we're eating some good dinner.
Still the parts not crystal clear.
Dinner tonight was so delicious. We've been having the best food at the Croce house. But I did want to take a moment and tell you what we've been up to while we've been here. So first of all, they had a wonderful Wacom tablet that allowed me to finally draw again. If you know what I've been doing in the past 4 years, I did a little bit of illustration work. And so got back on it. I did a couple of designs, and we actually have some really exciting work coming into our branding. And so a couple vlogs ago in the Vermont vlog, we talked about big and exciting things that we had coming in the works. And while we were here, we were able to order a couple of the items. And you kind of saw a quick preview in the images we just showed, but I'm just very excited and I'm very happy that I'm back into designing again. Do stay tuned for what we have planned. We are now going to hopefully watch a horror movie because it's spooky season, it's Halloween time, and so we'll just watch a movie and end the night, hopefully get one more good night, a really good rest on a huge king-size bed, and we will see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. We are moving back into Old Trusty today. For some reason, it's just like insanely hot today. I don't know why, but maybe it's just because I've also become really accustomed to cold weather at this point, but back to hot weather.
Still the parts not crystal clear. But it fades into the air. And I will be what I say. Whoa.
So we have officially left the Croce house. Thank you so much to the Croces. You guys were amazing. We were able to wash clothes, get water, and just do all of the amazing things. So thank you so much. You guys are awesome. So yesterday though, we were walking around Cincinnati and we tried to go to Skyline, but we weren't able to. So we stopped on our way out We got one coney with onion and cheese and mustard. And so we're gonna try it out and see how it is.
Just recapping, the Skyline chili is that chili that Street was talking about last night. The one with like chocolate and cinnamon and all sorts of fun things.
It's so cute. Look at how tiny it is. A little snack.
Conies were amazing. We recommend it to everyone passing through Cincinnati. And so from there, we are now in Wayne National Forest, and we're actually meeting up with Vlad and Margaret, who you guys might remember from a previous vlog when we were in the Connecticut River Valley. And so we'll be spending one night with them, and then tomorrow we'll go explore Hocking Hills with them. We had an amazing night with Vlad and Margaret. We actually recorded something for their podcast, so do check it out. We'll link it somewhere here. Tomorrow we'll be going to Hocking Hills, and so we're gonna get some rest and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Hocking Hills. We're actually in the park already and we're ready to hike around. We've got one day here, and so we're starting off with Old Man Cave.
So we are here with Vlad, exploring Hocking Hills. We are at the start of the trail going to Old Man's Cave, I believe.
This is really cool. We've been looking at this trail for like months now. We saw it on the internet, some of the most beautiful hiking in America, so we're here, we're excited.
We're excited.
There's a light in the dark, and it shines bright for you. There's a hole in my heart, it won't tell me the truth. There's a story to tell. We have been here before. I'm not buying what's for sale, telling secrets no more. Take me back to the start. Take me back to the start. Take me back to the start. Take me back to the start.
Beautiful day in Hocking Hills, but it seems to be a very popular park. Like, the parking lot was full, tons of people on the trails, and it's just like, whoa, we haven't seen this many people in a park yet. So that was pretty wild. But we're gonna keep going. We're trying to check off all the things that are on the list before the day ends. Hocking Hills was very similar to Watkins Glen, and if you saw that video, it was kind of saying like there are so many areas that have waterfalls and caves, and it's just like a really fun experience to go through. And so we loved it for that reason. However, I think we're actually gonna end it with just visiting one of their attractions just because there are so many people here. And we're gonna continue on to West Virginia.
We are now gonna head over to West Virginia. I pretty much have an idea of where we're gonna be staying. I looked at iOverlander, but we don't have service right now. So I'm just gonna drive the highway and we'll catch you there.
Sounds good. We've stopped for a quick snacky. Something we actually really enjoy eating on the road is brie cheese, and we always get it from Trader Joe's because it's usually only $3 for a pretty large slice. And we've really enjoyed eating it with honey and sometimes with a cracker, but that's like one of our favorite car snacks in addition to crackers and like the pretzels I'll put in Chad's bento box, and dried mangoes. We love those as well. Is that one for me?
Sure.
Take me back
Here's a
to
rainbow.
the start. Take me back to 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 the start.
So we just made it to West Virginia and we are heading to our campsite. We're like 20 minutes away It'll be a nice parking spot by the water, by the river, and apparently there's like different lock systems that'll go off, so maybe we could look at that. So we've officially made it to our spot in West Virginia. And to end the video, I just wanted to play a nice little drone montage of us in the parking lot.
Yeah, but thank you so much for watching and following along on the adventure. It means so much to us that you're spending your time watching our videos. But thank you, and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.
There's a hole in my heart. It won't tell